If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. For example, we can use 3 fingers, touch and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then you should be able to capture a screenshot. Let's give it another try. So just touch and hold with 3 fingers, and then after a couple of seconds you are going to capture the screenshot. Besides that, you can set up the back tap gesture or quick capture. So if you open the settings, then in here we should be able to go to gestures. By the way, regarding the 3-finger gesture, here we have the 3-finger screenshot, and of course if it doesn't work for you, you can make sure that it is enabled in here. As for the back tap, we need to scroll down a little bit and go to quick launch. We can of course turn it on and then go to settings in order to set take screenshot option in here. And then you should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture the screenshot. So let's see if I can actually do this. I still didn't get used to it properly, but usually I just tap like over here, like in this area, twice in order to capture a screenshot. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, there we go. Now, besides that, we can also use the control center or quick settings. Over here we can find the screenshot button as well, so you can use that. And if you use a sidebar, then you should be able to add the screenshot button to the sidebar quite easily. Of course, we can activate the sidebar in the gestures settings as well. So here we have the sidebar option. We need to turn it on, of course, to be able to use it. And then here in settings, in tools, you should be able to find screenshots, so you can add it to this list. So you can have access to the sidebar screenshot option. And besides that, there's actually one more way, or actually 2 more ways. So the first one is by opening an app. And then if you want to take a screenshot of an app, then you can go to recents or background apps, and then below the preview here we have the screenshot button, so you can use that. And finally, the last option is to use the accessibility menu. So if you go back to settings in here, you should be able to open accessibility. Then in accessibility, we're gonna go to accessibility menu. You can enable the shortcut, tap on allow, and then got it. And then here we have the menu. And if you go to the last page, here we have the screenshot button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.